Getting the too many passcode attempts error on your Apple Watch? Don't worry, you can reset it and set it up again easily. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Apple Watch after too many wrong passcode attempts. So let's get started. Erase all content settings using your iPhone. If your iPhone is paired with your Apple Watch, then grab your iPhone. Open up the Watch app. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase Apple Watch Content and Settings. Now tap Erase All Content and Settings. Again, tap Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your Apple ID password. Then tap Erase from the top right corner. If you did not pair your iPhone, hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye for today.